How you guys doing? Shall we put some tunes on? I think we're gonna do that. What's the song called that we used to play? Axel, no, not Axel F. You can play Axel F as well, but no, it's not Axel F. It's Axel Karma. Axel Karma. Yeah, this one. There we go. Oh, this is good. The Sandman, yo, what's up? 5FCUD. Hello, my friend. Hello, Lani. Long time no see. Glad to see you back. Let's chat, Dodge. Mohammed. Hola, hola. How you guys doing? All the good guys. All the good guys. I need to shield the stream to the good guys in the chat. Where is my stream? There we go. The stream is shielded. Mladen. How you doing, man? Ron adopters in the chat. What we gonna do today, guys? I'm a little unsure what we're gonna. I'm looking at pullback. Close. I'm a little bit unsure what we're gonna do. So whether there's gonna be a trade or not, we don't know. Where is this stuff? No, trees, economic balance, no, trade. There we go. Just so people know, not in a trade yet. There we go. You know, we're doing the old style. Trade Bitcoin for once. If Bitcoin breaks this rising wedge towards the upside, you know how many people are gonna get wrecked, guys? You don't understand. I gotta tell you again. Sorry about that. I gotta tell you again. You don't understand. In strong bull trends, rising wedges break towards the upside. You can have 50 divergences. You can have momentum running down, you can have volume lowering, and it will still break towards the upside. That's how bullish trend works, guys. That's how bullish trend works. Let's find some examples on that on bigger time frames. We're gonna go a little bit back in time. Up here. In bullish trends, this is a strong bullish trend. Okay, this is, you know. This did moved back and then continue towards the upside. Let's find some over here, for example. It was some kind of, you know, some kind of triangle first before it actually broke up. So, you know, here, for example, expanding musical instrument, rising expanding musical instrument. Breaks towards the upside, right? It can happen. This pullback over here. This also triangle pullback. Consolidation pulled up. This is just some kind of sideways. I mean, best case scenario for what this is, I don't know what this is. Sideways movement. Here we go. Rising or something. What's this? Rising wedge. Breaks towards the upside. Explodes towards the upside. Let's check out a little bit down here. Just been consolidated. This is a little bit bigger time frame, but we don't have a momentum. You know, momentum kind of went a little bit down here, but let's look at the volume up here. Yeah, the volume was actually going a little bit down all the way through. This first move towards downside. See over here when we exploded towards the upside. I mean, this was an extreme case. I mean, you could draw it someplace over here, but you know, it was rising. It was rising something, and just explodes towards the upside, right? 50, 60, and then it start doing this up here. Strong bullish trend can definitely break towards the upside. Strong bullish trend. Why do I have text over here? Final market is picking up. So the big question is, will this bullish trend, now this is very steep bullish trend, so you know, some kind of pullback down here would be nice, but if it breaks this towards the upside, guys, not only are we gonna see, you know, 17.8, we're gonna see some kind of higher levels. But it is getting lower volume. It is getting lower volume, lower RSI. The momentum is going down. Like everything looks like it wants to drop. What's the weekly look like? Weekly is okay. Weekly is slowly picking up. The major resistance on the weekly level, two major resistance on the weekly level. It's huge major resistance on the weekly level. 18.3, 18.8. I think when you're just looking at the, you know, the weekly levels, like these levels are definitely, you know, doable. If you just look at a weekly, you know, chart up here, momentum up here, you know, momentum is picking up. Look here, this is very nice. See up here, the momentum is picking up on the MACD. The RSI is rising. The volume went down over here right now, and it's still, you know, a low volume. But you know, if it starts exploding towards the upside, you'll just see this like do one of these scans over here, man. Big moves, big moves. Don't underestimate bullish trend, guys. I think that's one of the big, you know, problems people do. They underestimate the bullish trend because they've been so bearish for so long. They can't believe that we can actually pump. They can't believe that Bitcoin is gonna, you know, I'm going short 17.6. They can't believe that, you know, the Bitcoin can actually go higher. You know, they are so in their minds that this is bear. You know, the world's financial markets are crashing. There is no way Bitcoin can pump. And it's then at that time when nobody believes that you pump. That's how it happens, guys. That's how it happens. I believe it. Good morning, Sputnik. How you doing? Good evening. Evening, Edward. What's up? What do you think? Big green candles? Nah, not so much. I'm thinking short, but you know, we can look at. I got you all rallied up for, you know, big move towards the upside, but you know, I'm thinking short. Also, big news on AVAX. Now, if AVAX does something like this over here, that might be a short over here. Let's see Ape. I think Ape. If Ape does another move towards the upside, I think it might be short as well. This small time frame, but if you look it up here on an hourly time frame up here, so right now it pulled back, so it might actually do one of these moves again and then go down, because nobody believes it can go down. But if you want to short, you need to make sure that you catch these, you know, overextensions towards the upside. Background music is dope. Yeah, you need to reset the background music. I'm long only for the moment. If you reject a long dip unless something drastic changes. We already know that CPI numbers are coming soon. Bitcoin is still rising towards this, you know, but it's rising towards trend line with the extensions. You know, I don't believe it that much yet. This 1 hourly, 4 hourly, like it's extended with the divergence at the top, but you know, the price is being pushed up. Look at it, it's coming to this, you know, very nice line up here. Can we adjust the line a little bit up here? Because I like these wicks up here at the top. Where the heck did I put a line up here? Music name, bro. It's Axel Bad Karma. I feel like the XRP bit chart shows XRP more go. XRP. I missed the XRP trade that one time. Got wrecked on the XRP trade, so you know, I don't like that so much right now. I remember where it was. But XRP is also extended. Now we can use my indicator down here and check the extensions up here. This is on the 4 hourly, like extensions are pretty high. So some kind of pullback might be in the books up here. Near just pump could be a good short. 6.99. I don't like the, yeah, big divergence up here on the 5-minute chart. Small time frames up here showing big divergence up here. Still got, you know, this triple top up here, but just consolidating. Nah, it looks good. On the daily time frame, it looks fine. It's coming to the 60 level, so it can definitely do another, you know, major move towards upside. But it's hitting the resistance up here, of course. This one and this one up here as well, but this is bearish engulfing candle, so we're just gonna stay up here. Okay, let's check later coins on 4-hourly time frame and see, do we see anything that we like? This might be actually shortable, right? X Infinity is very shortable. It's all the way up here at the top, so you can put ties now. But this is bullish engulfing candle above the 20 moving average, still, you know, hitting this 10 moving average. So, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it just yet. 50 moving average up here at the top. And also, it did break the trend over here. You can see up here the short-term trend. See how it nicely hits this resistance up here. Once you find the lines, you can see it immediately, right? You can see how nicely you know hits these lines. It doesn't have to be this trend, it can be some other trend, right? But right now you can see up here it's at the very resistance, and this on 1 hourly. Yeah, did you add to the trading account or trade it over 3K? We traded over 3K. It was one trade, everybody remembers it. It was LV trade, it pumped like 50-60%. But we took profits after 30%, so you know we 3x our account on one trade. It's a moon time guy. Psychology of market is very taxing at the moment. What do you mean by taxing? What does that mean? You know who we're gonna ask now. A lot of people look for short. I think we blast off. Yeah, that's the problem. Like you're at the resistance, and right now it's time to short. But damn it, Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin wants different moves. Up here, Bitcoin had this big top up here. It hit this second, but this is bearish engulfing up here. It kind of went above this resistance up here as well. It just doesn't care about the values. It just pumps. Okay, let's AVX we did watch up here. I think AVX can do another move towards upside up here, and then do another move towards upside, maybe on some kind of trend line up here. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Ape as well. It's a long time or short time, because long time or short time, huh? Long time was up here. Long time was up here, so right now I'm over here should be something like a short time, but if it starts breaking that, who am I to say? Who am I to say? ETV, I did actually a trade on ETV. Unfortunately, I messed it up. I got scammed. I went long over here. Where was it? This was the trend line over here, so I went long at 330 up, something like that. I went long up here. It went nice, but then did this move up here. But it was around the target area. But I went early on the first move towards downside over here. I went in on the first move, and then I got stopped out up here, down here somewhere. So I got stopped out, and then it did this over here, and right now breaking the trend, and that's when you should actually go towards upside. So, we need to work on our trading psychology, guys. We need to work on the trading psychology. We need to work on entering at levels. It's not just entering at a level. We need to see something more. Doesn't matter if that's 1 minute time frame or something like that, right? Because over here you can see on 1 minute time frame it start just bouncing up here towards the upside. So there was no immediate bottom up here. The same thing happened up here. Third up here. It's only up 3 we got these double bottoms up here, but there was just a recovery, just recovery, and this thing falls, and then over here, once we got this double bottom up here, consolidate up here, that's when it actually went towards upside. This is on 1 minute time frame. You can even see it on small time frames. So important to zoom in a little bit. Let me just move this a little bit up here. Bitcoin. Famous now. It is. I'm gonna do a short. Mental stop loss, AVX. 5 minute up here. What do we say? AVX looks like shortable, but if it goes towards the upside, if it goes up, so we're gonna say if it goes above up here, you know, we're gonna track it. So we're gonna track AVX above this line, just in case. Okay, we're gonna track AVX. And yesterday I put like 6 alarm clocks, you know, and all of the alarm clocks went off, you know, during the night or during the morning. So it was just not, nothing was just happening. Over here we got alarm clock on just above these levels up here if you want to short, right? So this looks consolidating up here, something like this over here. It might break easily towards the downside. This is Solana, this 5 minute time frame. Yeah, that was Solana that we are looking at. Yeah, but Solana went above this you know, resistance up here. Seems plausible, right? Seems plausible. Take. How much are we, you know, from the 50 moving? 0.44. Is that a risk we are willing to take? Because if it gets rejected up here, goes below this line, it's gonna drop down, you know. So target, you know, up here for the downside up here is, you know, 10% on Solana. Is Solana gonna drop down 10%? I can't believe that, you know, stuff is gonna drop down 10%. Can you guys believe that stuff is gonna drop down 10%? I can't believe that stuff is gonna drop down 10%. ES pumping. What's ES? Oh yeah, stock market pampu. Stock market is pampu. Yeah, it's up 200 moving average on the daily, hitting resistance right now. Is this the level, guys? Is this, you can see this 200 moving average up here after we broke it up here. 1 test, 2 tests, tried up here several times. Right now again coming to the 200 moving average. Mind you guys, this is, you know, both the emotional moving average and the real moving average is at the same place. So there is confluence between emotional moving averages and our averages, you know, the regular people averages. It just has this big divergence, but it has big, you know, it just looks like it's just gonna drop down over here. But I wanted to actually pump again before it drops down. So if we're gonna get it, we're gonna get it short on a pump. We're gonna get short on some kind of divergence. We're gonna get short something, because right now we have nothing. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we got nothing. We had the extensions over here. Now that was a short, because extension, right now we don't have anything. So we're gonna wait. Good evening, Mark Harris. What you bluish or bearish this weekend? I'm bluish, but it's hitting resistance hard. My channel resistance is 17.8. That's where I short. 17.8. That's a level. But you know, Bitcoin is already at the resistance. It's already at the target where people are shorting. That's why we are going so slowly towards the upside, guys. People see this rising wedge up here. People see the rising wedge. People see the triple, you know, the triple RSI divergence. They see the momentum dying. They see the volume dying. They're already shorting this over here. Trade Bitcoin. No, don't tell me to trade Bitcoin, man. What are we looking? We're looking out of wedge. 2.18%. 20 share onto Twitter. 2.18% on Bitcoin. Are we crazy? I'm gonna do Bitcoin for once. Are we gonna trade Bitcoin for once? I'm gonna short the resistance. It's extended. I don't think it can break it. I don't think it's already at some kind of highs up here. How much higher can we lose up here? We can lose 50%. We're gonna wait for some kind of move. We're gonna wait some kind of fake out towards the upside. We're gonna get a fake out. We're gonna short the fake out. Guys, we got a plan. We gotta short the fake out. Sounds like a plan. We gotta short the fake out. Once it breaks out, it's gonna be, everybody's gonna, yeah, it's going, and then we're gonna short it, because right now everybody sees, too many people sees, right? And then it goes up here, goes up to you know, 1080 or something like that. Then we short, because you know, too many people think it's gonna drop down. 100x Bitcoin trade. What direction? Just short now with a portion of your portfolio with a tight stop loss. Nah, we don't do portions on this channel. We don't do portions. You know, portions are for people who are trying to keep the weight. We are not trying to keep the weight. We are not portioning anything. 1 hour doji. Is there a 1 hour doji? Yeah, there is 1 hour doji. 1 hour doji. I did not even notice that. We got a 1 hour doji up here, guys. And it already went up. It's just gonna drop down. Short to give longs liquidity. This 5-minute chart. Is it gonna break down? We like this wick up here. It broke already up. Right now pulling back to the support levels. The fight is about to start. What about it don't fake out? Yeah, then you miss the trade. I mean, it happens. It happens. Short now. No, I wanna short at my levels. I don't care. I'm just, you know, a lot of time when I'm losing the trade, I'm losing trade just like this. I was like, oh my god, I'm missing the trade. I'm missing the trade. And then I go in and then it goes against me and goes to my target and goes down. You know. So just waiting a little bit. If I miss the trade, nothing happens, guys. Literally nothing happens if I miss the trade. You know, the only thing that happens is that we got same amount of money for tomorrow to trade. Need 100 likes, yeah, 100 likes and we short immediately. I'm already in mine. I think this is it. It could be it. Like we got a 1 hourly, you know, doji up here. It already went up here to, you know, 17.57. It's already pulling back. Evening, morning star. There is like everything is telling you this is gonna pull back right now. But if you are bullish, if Bitcoin is bullish, it's gonna pop, right? It's gonna pop. It's gonna get everybody wrecked. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for my targets. Where are my targets? My targets are up here. So any kind of move up here or above it. Any kind of moves up here or above it. See, it's already pulling a little bit back. Hi, brother. Long time no see. How we are? We are good, man. Adrian, we're good. We're good. In the short play. There you go. See, it managed to hold above 10-20 moving average on 5-minute time frame. It managed to hold the level. And guys, I know this is. I understand that this is a doji at top. And oftentimes, in any kind of normal scenario, this will pull back, and this is what we are expecting, right? On the other hand, if we are stupidly bullish, there will be another green candle towards the upside. Do not underestimate the bull market, guys. You are already like it's like we are like 2 days in, and you are already underestimating the bull market. How are you gonna survive when you are pumping like 20% every day? How are you gonna survive? The best choice has been Tap Global. What's Tap Global, man? No, it's hitting this resistance up here. You cannot get it back above it. It was already once above it, so you know it could have been, you know, a short here at 545, but there is that. Let's check some other coins up here, back again, see how they are doing this. Already getting lower low, no divergence, everything looks fine. It's gonna go down. I still think that IVX needs to do another, you know, move. It's not enough with the one move towards the upside. I mean, this is nothing on 5-minute time frame. No. Nothing. We need another move towards upside if you want to go it. You know, the ape did a 5% move up, 5% move down. Insane moves, triple, you know, touches up. It just pushes up. This is stupidly bullish coin. This is stupid. You don't understand, guys. When it comes to metaverse, if there is one coin I'm stupidly bullish on, it's ape. It's ape. If metaverse, you know, becomes this big thing in the next bull market, ape is gonna outperform everything else. The best trade has been taken. Solana minus down. It's best to trade on the 5-minute. Is the best to no, it's best to trade. It's best to do like Mladen. Put it on the, you know, look at the 4-hourly daily time frame. Find the levels you wanna short and long, and then wait until you get to those levels, and then switch to 5-minute time frame to figure out when the trend is changing, and then, you know, enter trade. But no, yeah, Everdome or Meta Hero. I don't know, man. I think Everdome. Meta Hero is just something like, you know, it's crazy, but you know, Everdome at least has lands, and lands, you know, pop up. Yeah, this was one of these. Solana was one of these coins that had this very nice. Where is my wick? There is my wick. I like this wick. I like these wicks up here at resistance up here. 1.15 up here. Bitcoin 5-minute chart. See, it's good that we didn't short. If we are short, like, yeah, sure, we can, you know. But, you know, my way or the highway. That's what we say, my way or the highway. You know, I'm gonna short. I'm not gonna be pushed by the peer pressure of the channel. Short now, we wanna short. You haven't shorted or longed for 2 days, man. I'm watching you for 3 hours and nothing is happening. I'm just watching your ugly face for 3 hours, no trades. What am I even doing with my life, you know? And then I was like, okay, I'll do something, and I do something and I lose money, you know. So none of that. No peer pressure. So I can withstand. I've been on YouTube for 4 years. I've been on YouTube for years. I'm able to handle my haters. Let trade come to me. That's a good say. Let trade come to you. That's good saying. You know what, man? We're gonna link you to Twitter. Okay? I'm gonna link you to Twitter. Edward Too Good. Let the trade come to you. There you go. Good quotes get posted on Twitter. Educational charges. Somebody told me how I can do this without, I forgot about it. Oh man. Just imagine we are on Twitter, the late adopter, Telecrypto. There we go. See? Edward Too Good. Let the trade come to you, good man. Yeah, we know the patience is the key. Patience is the key. Can it drop down? Yeah, we're gonna lose the trade. Fine, no problem. We're gonna try to find something else. It's gonna go 5 days before we do a trade. We don't care. But you can see, even though it's falling down, there is no volatility downwards. Even though we have triple divergence on Bitcoin. We have triple divergence. Technically double divergence. I mean, we got triple top. We got 2 divergences up here. Even though we have 2 divergences up here, even though the momentum is going down, even though the volume is kinda going sideways, even though it was overextended, even everything, it's not dropping down immediately. If you are in any kind of bearish trend, this would drop immediately. Everybody would be shorting like crazy. But right now you can see that Bitcoin is holding up. It just doesn't want to do it. Are we gonna long up here, guys? Are we gonna long the resistance? Are we gonna go crazy and long the resistance? Are we gonna do that? Do we have any kind of bearish candles, bullish candle up here above the resistance? Is it above? Yeah, it's above the resistance. Look at closely. There are 3. 3? No, 3. 1, 3. I can't believe there is 3. There is 2. Closely, like how close do you want me to look? 3. Okay, this is 1. Okay, you mean this is 2? Okay, 2. Okay, triple divergence if you look at this part over here. Am I correct? There is a lot of longs coming into the market right now because they know everybody shorting is gonna get wrecked. But I would like it to drop down to the 50 moving average and long from there. Truth be told, I would like to long the 50 moving average. Too much leverage will cause the market to slow down. Friends, don't let friends over leverage. Guys, don't over leverage. Only 2x. We gotta know. Interesting. The excitement is building up. Maybe the short was the play. My Gala short is printing. Nice. Where is the Gala? Gala has been crazy lately, right? Gala has been going all over the place. No recovery. Yeah, but Gala did, when you see coins doing 160%, guys, how many days was it? In couple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta know. If the coin does 100%, 200%, this is my knowledge, hard-earned knowledge to you. If the coin does 100, 200%, extends over everything, everybody talks about it, and at the same time hits a very important resistance line, trust me, there will be sellers that are gonna take profit on that. 200 moving average after under 60% towards the upside. Yes, there will be pullbacks. It's going slowly. The good thing is it's going slowly. I don't know, this 5-minute time frame, but you know, or fast enough. Maybe there's some kind of falling wedge. Maybe we're gonna long the maybe we're gonna long long the coin that everybody's shorting. Huh? Maybe we're gonna do that, huh? Maybe we're gonna do that. Maybe we're gonna long the coin that everybody's shorting. Let's check it out. Yeah, so this is good. This goes down, the volume goes down, it's getting ready. 4-hourly time frame, it's below the moving average, it's still pulling down. It can go down to 50, maybe not just quite yet though. Maybe, I'm not convinced, but yeah, the volume is definitely, you know, it's pulling down and going down. Maybe it's some kind of, you know, bull flag up here that's going to extend towards upside. Another 100-200% move. You never know. You never know. Life. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 55, 58%, 0.58%. Let's go up here. See, does it still hold it? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't want to drop. It doesn't want to drop. See, every time you think it's got to drop now, it got to drop now, it's breaking the resistance. Huh? It's breaking the resistance. I had to pull back. It's not that weak, guys. It can drop, but it's not weak. You know, it's not. You know, it's a weak drop. You gotta try to analyze the chart based on whether the price looks, you know, strong, breaking stuff towards upside or downside, or weak. Like if it goes down, but it's kind of, you know, it breaks important resistance, but just doesn't kind of drop. That's weak. That's weak. Bitcoin looks strong. Bitcoin looks nice. Guys, I'm too excited. I cannot watch anymore. So, you know, we gotta take a 5-minute break. I'm gonna put back music on so you don't die of boredom. You know, people don't, you know, just leave. Pump him. Don't get too bullish. Yeah, every time I get too bullish, it gets me wrecked. If you guys see me anytime, you know, too euphoric, you know it's the top. AVX 3 point. It just doesn't want to drop. It's below the movie. It doesn't want to drop. It's below the movie. It doesn't want to drop. It's a channel. It's a channel. On the bottom of the channel. How much down? 5%. How much up? 3.32%. 5-minute time frame. What's point? You think Bitcoin going up? WTF? What? You don't think Bitcoin is going up? You bearish? You bearish? Breaking resistances. Doesn't care about anything. Low volume. Doesn't care. Still going up. Doji. Doesn't care. Still going up. 30 minutes. Closed in 1 minute ago. Doji. Doesn't care. Still going up. Remove 5 minutes, please. Bitcoin doesn't care. Life doesn't care. It looks so beautiful in a long time. Fingers crossed. Oh man, it's good to be back in some kind of bullish momentum. I mean, we've been going through pain forever. 17.6. 76. This is Mladen's target. Where Mladen's target is? There we go. We'll see, we'll see. It's a rising channel. It's like it's a. See here, it's bounced off of this bottom down. God damn, did not see this too. Saw this too late. We are looking for a long 50 minutes. Ape bouncing on 10-minute chart. Good evening, Garrett. What's up, man? Long time no see. A little pump as a 7-minute stock area size low and the dump after as of 50 minutes and 1 hour. Wow, 4 hours getting over, so but still has room for like down. The only thing you need to know when it comes to stochastic, the one thing you need to know about stochastic. The one thing you need to know about stochastic, man. The one thing you need to know about stochastic is the monthly chart. This is the only thing you need to know about. Right now we are crossing that. That's the only thing. Look at it. This. You understand? You understand? That's the only thing you need to know about stochastic. I don't watch stochastic, you know, but you know, I pop it up sometimes. You know, reasons. Bollinger Bands started rising up here. Expansion. First expansion up here coming right now. Now this is a second expansion up here. I don't know. It might do something like this up here, you know, and then consolidate up here, get this squeeze going on, and then bounce. Something like this up here, and then bounce. The squeeze on the monthly. The squeeze on monthly. It's hitting this resistance area up here. AVX Pampu to resistance. Yeah, it's looking nice. Maybe it's gonna go up here and then do another move towards that side. You know what we can do with this? We can extrapolate this, of course. We can extrapolate this. Double. Look how beautiful that is, man. Look how beautiful that is. We're gonna move this line. Look how beautiful this is. If it does the move up here and goes all the way up here to 15.20, then we can short it. So we're gonna short up here at 15, right? So we're gonna say some kind of line up here towards up here, you know, it's probably gonna be up here, something like this, right? But you know, for reasons we're gonna put it down here at 15.10. You know, 15 is nice. Now 15 is too low. We're gonna put up here. if it goes up above this line, you know, we're gonna know, and we're gonna short AVEX. We got 2 lines up here. You know what, we're gonna let both of these, you know, stay. 5 minutes time frame, 2 seconds left, closing above 10-20 moving average. Let's see up here on the small time frames. Maybe we can get along on this shoe pattern. Maybe we can get along on the shoe pattern, but maybe we're gonna wait. Maybe we're gonna trade the breakout or these bottoms down here. But we gotta be really careful about this, right? We gotta be really careful about this. I think we need to get one more move towards downside, some kind of another fake. I mean, we already had a fake out up here, so right now it can actually go up there. What kind of downside do we see up here? 0.57. Because everybody thinks it's gonna drop. Like, of course it can drop. Right now it's coming into this consolidation up here, I think. Yeah, give or take. This is too steep. It's not this one. It's this one over here. 1, 2, 3 touches. 1 touch up there. It just doesn't touch this bottom side up here. So it might actually just, you know, if it pulls back a little bit up here, you know what's gonna happen with the ape. Ape can pull back down again. But if it breaks, then hopium is gonna retest. Because if it breaks without a retest, we're not gonna do it. Because if it does something like this or crazy over here, we don't care. We don't care. Down here, buying down here towards the upside, or a break above and then retest. One of these two things. 3-day squeeze is interesting. 3-day squeeze. Bullish bands. Yeah, look at that squeeze. Oh my god, that's a nice squeeze. Don't you look? Do you know what better, guys? Here's a you know, riddle for you. What is a better squeeze than 3-day squeeze? What is a better squeeze than a 3-day squeeze? That's a riddle for you. Look down here. This on the weekly time frame also very low, very low. 2-day squeeze. Look at 2-day squeeze. What's better than 3-day squeeze? A 2-day squeeze. That's what better. No. What's better than 2-day squeeze and 3-day squeeze is a short squeeze, guys. It's always a short squeeze. That's what's better than any kind of other squeeze. That's the best kind of squeeze. Gala pump after you talk. No way. Did it pump? Did it pump? Where is Gala? I always have to look for coins all over the chart. There we go. No, it did not pump. It didn't do anything up here. Just standing here. Just standing down at the bottom. But it might pump. But 106%, like, people are crazy, you know. People are crazy. Music stopped. We gotta restart that move. Let's go up here. Ape. 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart. Look at us, guys. Look at us, degenerates. Looking at 1-minute chart. Looking for a move. Why are we crazy? Oh, this is 5-minute chart. What's the name of the song? I should probably write the song somewhere on the screen so people stop asking. It's Alex F. No, it's Alex Teslev. Bad Karma. Just search Axel Bad Karma. Bart soon low 1 million. Yeah, 1 million. Why not? Thanks, Alex. It's not Alex. It's Axel. X first, Axel bad karma. Yeah, you can search for Alex bad karma. It's still pop up, I think. It's a very popular song. It's the pump song for the ages. But if Bitcoin, now if that thing over here, expanding, channel, are we channeling towards upside? Interesting. Pump cancelled. Nah, not yet. Degenerate 1 minute candle is above the moving averages. For once, it's above the moving average. It's gonna close above the moving average. It's gonna pump up here. Now it's gonna go down first. Maybe not. It already did 2 dumps on 1 minute candle. Like, how many more dumps do you need? Oh, this looks nice. 2 doji possible. Yeah, 2 doji also the same thing as 1 hourly doji, because on 2 hourly time frame is single doji. But it's not that good of a doji like over here. This 1 hourly, 3 hourly. What we're looking at? 5 minute time frame. See these gravestone dojis up here. Every time we got it, we pull back. Gravestone doji pulling back. It needs to divide 2. Just gonna let this rip towards upside, see where it gets. There we go, we're getting a pullback. Where is the pullback going to? Yeah, where is the pullback going to? $884 0 level. Guys, killing me. I can use this one, doesn't matter. We're gonna put down here. There we go. I think we are being greedy right now. Just can't push through. Just can't push through. There we go. There are lines. Double dodge. 17 minutes on 1 hourly though. 17 minutes on 1 hourly. Some of these others, like Coinbase has these double dojis. This Binance. Stop on the over now dump. Number this guy. This song is gonna get into your head. You're never gonna, every time you trade, you're gonna wanna be listening to this. It gets you so pumped. I think it needs to go. I think if this goes to 15 to 21, something like that, I think that's a short over here. How big a short? I don't know. Maybe it's when it starts going down up here, it breaks down. It can be quite good of a short. But we're gonna see. But I think it needs to, because too many people are right now reckoning this is gonna go down, but it's not. I don't think it's not. That was the pullback. We did not take the pullback, and it's above the line up here. We're gonna let it go to the 50 moving average, and then we're gonna look for some kind of move down. But right now it's above the line, so this box up here is invalidated right now. There is no more box down here. It's a 50 moving average, and right now the line counts. The line counts. Bet you don't even know the meaning of what he's saying in the song. It's Punjabi, dude. It's an amazing remix. Now I have absolutely zero meaning, zero knowledge of what he's saying. True that. But I think I did look up the text for it, and it was something about bad karma, something about stuff, people doing stuff, it's gonna come back to them or something like that. There is the text, man. There is the lyrics. There is the lyrics. Told ya I looked up the lyrics. Yeah, this song is very nice. Don't keep on wanting money. People have loads and they're never happy. Yeah, lyrics. Let's go translation. Don't keep around people have lost. Thanks to this. What does the rest mean though? Oh, Petka. Onar karmana rupi vala. What does this mean? Translate. Nothing. Option from Hindi. Don't cry. English. Don't cry, don't listen to money. Don't cry, don't listen to money. It's a very fitting song. Why am I teasing this break? It's a very fitting song. Don't cry, don't listen to money. Eric's pumping. Bitcoin. We got a first alarm clock on AVAX. It's crossing the line. That's the first line, guys. That's the first line. But we are looking for the other line up here. We are looking for the other line. What do we have up here? It will be nice long as well up here. I mean, this up here, you know, this is like 5-6% up. I think it's a bigger move towards upside and downside now, I'd say. Should I say for you? Was that a retest? Was that the best retest we can get? Oh my god, this is just breaking everything. I think we are too late to the party, guys. We're too late to the party. No, we're gonna wait for a decent move down. We're gonna wait for a fake out on 1 minute time frame. See 50 moving average up here, but you know, fake out up here and then, you know, something like this and a fake out and then up. Sounds good. We have time. We can wait 1 minute time frame. Very dobra. Double bottom up here, going up here nicely above the 1591 on Solana. What's this doing over here? I had these lines up here. We're just stepping it. Oh, that's a bullish engulfing about 10-20 moving average. What? Cardano. Did you see these guys? Bullish engulfing candle above 20 and 10 moving average. Wow. Above the resistances. Wow. How much was this move up here? 2-3% move. Bull flag. Gonna happen with Gala, bro, like Cardano. Give or take. Maybe, just maybe another move down here. 50 moving average. Pick up the 50 moving average. Long in the 50 moving average on Cardano. Let's put up here. This is on 5 minute time frame. It's gonna happen. It can happen. Wow. Maybe it's a bull flag. It looks good. Like, a bull flag is very probable right now because we had a bullish engulfing candle above the moving averages. Big move above the resistances. Bullish as, you know what, this pulled back enough. This pulled back enough. It's time for Cardano. It's time for Cardano. The question is where we're gonna buy. Right now it's pushing up here. 50 moving average. I think the 50 moving average on 5 minute time frame. I think that's it. Bitcoin 17. No stopping, baby. No stopping. Bitcoin doesn't want to stop. You guys wanted to short. You guys wanted me to short. You guys told me to short. I can't believe it. Why do you want me to lose the money? Huh? Why do you want me to lose money? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why do you want me to lose money? Don't cry, Axel Rose. I don't know if these kids on this channel is gonna, you know, get that reference, but it's nice. What's gonna happen with Gala, bro? Let's check out Gala. What's up with Gala? Look at that, man. Last call for Dumpy Town. No, don't be like that. This pulled back. It's okay, it's pulled back on small time frames. It's normal, it went up a little bit too fast. 1 minute up here. Went above this 50 moving average. Come on, get down. Get big moment down. No volume, still no volume break. I want big moment down. I want that down. And then picked up. Bart Simpson Express all aboard. No Bart Simpsons, no Bart Simpsons. Why you like that, man? Why you like that? You've been waiting for this, you know, for 2 years, 1 year. How long did this bear market last? Let's see up here on the daily time frame. How long did this bear market last? And you know, depends which kind of top you know use. 2 years. 2 years or 1 year. Let's ask the chat what chat thinks. How long did this bear market last? No, not that. There you go. Bear market last. $639 days or 427 days. What you guys think? How long does this bear market last? How long did we, let's go to family chart up here, broke this resistance towards upside, still going inside this channel up here. We're looking at, you know, I mean, one, if you're gonna hit your target, I mean, it's gonna get above this resistance up here. I mean, up here, maybe it's gonna hit your target, but you know. Bro, where you learn to trade? Just, I did not learn to trade. I'm learning to trade. That's the trick, man. I did not learn to trade. I'm learning to trade. I think people are misunderstanding. I think I need to, you know, to give a warning to people. I do not know how to trade. So there is that. 5 minutes up here, still in this. Still pulling back. It's pulling back. It's normal pullback, no problem whatsoever. Did we get a pullback? Yes, there's pullback. On the line, go on the line, go on the line. Can it go down to the line? Can it go down to the line? It's low enough. There we go, it hits the line. I'm not even ready, guys. I'm not even ready. We should probably take long here, right? Bearish engulfing, no. Bitcoin. Pulling it back. Now I'm scared, now I'm scared. Still no volume. Ooh. 498. Are we gonna do it, guys? I'm gonna do it. Let's see 4 hourly. I mean, 4 hourly is still holding this, but it wants to do bearish engulfing candle. How would this guy deal with big liquidation? Not well, man, not well. Just finish pilates. What did I miss? Are you know, you do pilates? Nice. Anything that's, you know, is gonna manage to stay above the it's gonna get above the up here. If Bitcoin was some kind of bottom, I don't know, man. If break 0.382. I mean, how much this is down? 0.3%, like. Trigger anxiety. Boo. Amazing, guys, amazing. It's already some played out, but you know, it's hitting this midline up here and then pulling back. 0.06, 1 minute time frame up here. Still not sure, because Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit to the resistance as support down here. Can I do? And ape is did nothing today at all. Can I be moderator just for 1 minute, please? Sure, man. Don't abuse the powers. There you go. Go crazy. You got 60 seconds to do damage. Still signs in this ballpark. If right now it's not. Let's see 5 minute time frame. 5 minute had the bearish engulfing up here. Hey Demjan, how you doing? Don't wanna go to bed. Optimism turns into fear. So many bad signals. Like, I would be a lot. Are you scalping? No, we're not scalping. We are doing big daddy moves. How long did it last? Too long. Why did you kick him, man? What? Dude, why? Don't, man. Okay, you're losing your permissions, man. You're losing the permissions. You can't just ban people on my channel. Why? Dude. We went through entire bear market. We didn't ban one person, and you know, and he gets, you know, moderator for 1 minute, and you know, starts, you know, using the ban hammer. Hey, Sasha, what I missed? Not much, man, not much. Fortunately, not much, but it's getting rejected. Doesn't look that strong. It's okay. I'd be a lot more comfortable shorting up here than longing right now. I don't know. You shouldn't do this. It's okay. He will be back in 300 seconds, so it's okay. It's only a 300 seconds ban. I don't know how many minutes that is. 5 minutes. Yeah, he banned Burner. I don't know why. Dumpster. Doesn't like money, trade stocks. People can decide on, you see here, it doesn't look kind of, you know. Should I be scared now? I'll get banned if I call out Gore to fight. No, you don't have to be scared, man. I removed the permissions from Laden. You know, he cannot handle the power. So he's not fit to be a moderator, unfortunately. We tested it out, but you know, some people, you know, just got the skill and the emotional stability. Unfortunately, Mladen Petrov doesn't have emotional stability to be a moderator. But it's just keeping up here below. I'm not. No volume on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, nothing's happening. Is it FAM gonna? Nah, FAM is getting rejected by the 5 minutes up here. Close above it. I think I'm gonna lose something 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame. Seems bullish. Bitcoin, man, do something. This is actually, you know, in any kind of bearish market, this would have been, you know, yeah, this needs to drop immediately. You know? This would be a bad move. But in bullish markets, this kind of just breaks towards upside and continues up. Look here how nicely it holds the, you know, this is gonna break 17,585, I think. Let's see, last 1 minute candle up here. I'm gonna long here. Yeah, I'm gonna long here on how much downside do we have? Yeah, I'm gonna take the risk on 0.5% up here. 45 seconds. Let's see if you can hold above the moving averages. If it just fails, let's get ready for that. Ape USDT strategy. What's this? Yeah, we don't use strategy. We don't care about strategy. 10 market 100%. Do we have enough? 26.6. Yeah, we can just, you know, market buy. It's fine. I've seen 5 entries, 2 minutes watching. Yeah, I am not. Everybody will tell you, you know, the thing in my stomach. You know, I don't like losing. Especially when, Sasha, my wife asked me to tell her 2 very good long-term tokens to invest on. Please advise. Okay, is it you who are giving her financial advice or me? Because if I'm giving her financial advice, I don't want to be. But you know, but if it's gonna be you giving her financial advice, you know, maybe I can, you know, advise, you know, not advise, but you know, give my opinion on 2 coins. I want to close above and stay above because this pulled back right now. 30 seconds. Breakout 5 minutes gala. Please give a non-financial advice. 2 coins. Well, the first one, is, of course, is Metaverse, like ApeCoin, the thing that we are watching right now. Good thing we didn't long. The first one is ApeCoin. Call me crazy. I am very bullish on Metaverse. I don't know why. I think that's gonna be the next big thing when it comes to the you know, into the when it comes into the bull market. And the second one. What would be the second one? Like, what am I, you know, stupidly bullish on second? Like Ethereum is, you know, given, and Matic always performs well for some reason. But you know, I don't have any reason to actually advise Matic beside its performance well. Dogecoin, you know, it's CEO of Elon, but right now there are some kind of rumors that, you know, he might abandon Dogecoin. So you know, I'm not sure about that. But if, you know, 2 coins, if I should give my opinion what I think is good, it would be ApeCoin. I think it's gonna do well if the Metaverse plays out. And I think as soon as this, you know, this Binance fear goes away, I think BNB is also gonna play well. AI tokens, yeah, AI might also play well. AI tokens. So this kind of failed up here at the top. Bitcoin did not fail, but Ape is not performing well. Why is my Ape not performing well? What's wrong with it? Will XRP a bit better? I cannot give you, you know, idea on an XRP. I really don't understand that thing, man. You know, it's a you know, it's a currency, but oh man, can he hold above the moving? If he can hold above, if he can do this move and hold above the moving averages, it's fine. If he can do this move and hold above the moving average, is fine. XRP is popping. Bitcoin 83. Bitcoin breaking the resistance. That's why everything is popping. That's why everything is super, you know, interesting right now. It's gonna hold 5 minutes. It's gonna stay above. Yeah, it's look good. Let's go long on ApeCoin. Why not? I mean, we only live once, so there's that. Market 100% up and long. Why not? Confirm. There we go. You sound like 2 minutes papers guy. Wow, what a time to be alive. The 2 minutes paper guy, the YouTube guy. I think I watched that video. That channel, not that video. AVEX will be good for 2-3 days due to corroboration. I don't think it's gonna last that long. Don't FOMO in, man. I did not FOMO in, man. I waited so long, man. How can you say it's a FOMO in? Okay, maybe I FOMO'd in a little bit. But I'm gonna lose 10%. We're gonna let it go all the way down here. That's like 12% loss, right? So stop loss, you know, should be down here at, you know, the support down here, right? 469 or something like that. Oh, that's bad. It will go up too. Oh man, that's bad. I don't think I wanna, you know. Is it already cracking? Let's see here. The support level. If it breaks the support level, we out. Sounds good. Put RSI at least. Yeah, I mean RSI on the 1 minute time frame. I don't think that you know, counts. Yeah, it was emotional trade. A little bit emotional trade, unfortunately. Don't go squandering the funds before the bull market. It's okay. We went up to 2k, went down to 1k, right now to 3k, so we gotta go back to 1.5k, you know. Divergence. There is divergence up here a little bit, but a Bitcoin pullback. Ah, the crossing. Are they crossing? What's crossing? It's crossing down. Ape. Okay, done. How can we? That's the worst thing ever. 7%. Yeah, whatever. Just get out. We're gonna take 5-minute break because reasons. Imagine waiting for so long, then FOMOing in on a last push, and then getting out at the bottom, and right now it's gonna pump. You don't believe me? Just watch. Gala wants to pump. Down way slows by most. Is your target before entry? I don't know, somewhere around 2000. Crap. It looks weak because it lost this bullish faked out. Bitcoin losing the momentum on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame up here, breaking down. Look at this fake out towards the upside, man. Where is the level? How do you look at that, man? Look at that. See, every decent trader was looking at this over here. Mladen was looking at 70-60. Mladen, are you short? It hit almost Mladen target. Look capable for a potential target 5-6. Zoom out, reset everything. Bearish engulfing candle. $4.48. Support hitting right now. Breaking the support, 200 moving average, close below the 200 moving average. AVAX never reached the top up here. ETH of the week. What? 1.29%. Got everybody super, excited, including me. I'm looking at Collapse of the Empire. Good show so far. Rise of the Nations was okay book. It's kind of still holding support. Depends where the support is. Something like this over here. Got everybody super excited this move. $0.53 down. Below the support. Yeah, it broke the support. GG. Gala, 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 gala. No, it's still not, still slowly moving. Not doing anything interesting. Tron. XRP extent. Why is only one that but didn't no, it closed below it. This looks like where is it? This looks like distribution pattern. Chili's pullback and settle between 0.38. I don't know. Too much. There was too much hype about Gala because it was one of the few that actually pumped. Dodge bounce nicely up here. Let's pull it back. Flamingo to the resistance. Phantom broke towards upside to the resistance right now. Above the moving average. This can actually play out okay-ish. Just waiting for a pullback. Cardano. Cardano sitting on the supporter. But if this fails on the downside below 200 moving average, it's gonna game over. Too much resistance everywhere. Yeah, too much resistance everywhere. There we go. Maybe this is the pullback that everybody. So everybody tried to, faked out towards upside. Right now it's gonna, fake down towards downside. Everybody went short, and then it explodes towards upside, right? 50 moving average. God damn it. Lo-fi, relax me. Now we gotta chill down. Chill down. It was all the way this way. And right back up again. If Bitcoin goes back above these moving averages, like that's super bullish, right? Close my long if the next 5 minutes does close to upside. So let's right on the 10-month support line. 10-month, that's huge. You mean the resistance line or support line? We'll go open coming soon, be ready if looking for moves. Challange also have this, move down, move down. The bottom is like long in at the top. Look at the moves, man. Look at the moves. Hit the button down here. 1 week about 20k would make a lot of people flip bullish. Yeah, so 20k is gonna be important to resist. Once we get above 20k, I think a lot of people are gonna. What are you gonna say? A lot of people are gonna start closing their shorts, and we're gonna get a short squeeze. The best kind of squeeze. Maybe turn resistance support. Bitcoin recovering. Doesn't care. Still bullish. I mean, there is definitely bullishness on the chart. Like, sure, we hit resistance and we dump down big time because a lot of people start selling at the level 0.41% down, but it's just really recovering right back up again. It's not getting rejected. No, I did not close above the moving averages. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it there because we lost money. So the spirit went out of me a little bit. 2.9. Why is volatility doing any news? Nah, there is no volatility. Just pullback. Bigger time frame, like if you look at daily time frames up here, Can definitely pull back more. Cardano, for example, over here. Solana can pull back more. Ape can definitely pull back more. But I would assume this is actually gonna go all the way up here. 78, 79. Thanks for the stream, man. You're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Does Bitcoin change the short? All Bitcoin is on hardware wallets. And Ethereum, yeah, what about Ethereum? It's not doing the same thing. Ethereum is actually, you know, performing. But where is this level coming from? Like, how did they pick out this level? That's what I want to know. How did they pick? Why is this level? Why is this level important, guys? Is some kind of horizontal line? Let's put these up here. I don't know where they picked out the level. Because if you use these two, nothing happens. If you use these, like, nothing happens. So this must be just overbought level. Thanks, TL. I love the stream. Thanks, man. It's the FOMO level. But if you look at it here now over here, the volume goes up here at the end. Because if this is right now, if everything starts dropping below the support, like, it's gonna dump. If you're bullish up here, like, this was some kind of low, and then it went up here a little bit again. It's only before hours. Still 1 hour and 35 minutes for the daily close. Oh, the bottom line is very nice. Not certain the dollar will dump with recovery. Good day, all. Good day, Ryan. Good day. Thanks for stopping by. MX breaking the resistance though. That's already like 3% more, like 30%. Had to lose the loan, took 10% profit. Nobody got poor by taking profits, right? Good night, guys. 4 AM here. Good night, man. Thanks for stopping by. 406 639 days. People think that, you know, the bear market lasts 639. I also think that it lasts 639 days, not 427 like most people want to say. The 427 days was just the last dump. Hopium, one more move. Solana. It has a little bit, you know, juice left in it, I think, but it looks kind of weak. It looks kind of weak. Bear market is not finished. Maybe it's not, man. Maybe it's not. But even on the daily time frame up here, I mean, you can see that these candles are increasing in speed up here, right? And if you get a small candle up here, that means that it's losing kind of steam, so it might actually, you know, I think the best moving, you know, best buys are down here right now at 16, 17k or something like that. If it pulls back. What is my near? I don't know, I can't even find it on the chart. While talking, this thing pumped and pulled back and looks like it's gonna pump again. The stream at this time much better than morning. Thanks for sure. I stream at this time because that's when I have, you know, that's when I can, that's when kids are asleep, you know. So, but yeah, we're pretty much done, I think. I don't want to FOMO into anything, and even though there are levels to be bought, the only thing I want to do now is if AVAX gets up here. If it gets up there, I'm gonna short it. That's it, up there, and it has, you know, strength enough to do the move, up here. And if it does that, I think that's the shorting, you know, level for shorting, and I think I want to do that. But beside that, I don't think I want to, you know, touch ape right now, even though, you know, it did hit this bottom, whatever. It might actually play out, whatever. Solana hit this support. IRA hit this support level, bouncing off of that. ETH climbing, Matic doing well. But you can see Matic is hitting the resistance up here. You see this line up here? Broke that right now, trying to get back above the line, resistance line. So it's just hitting the resistance up here. Or wait tomorrow news. I was gonna hit 15.025 target, waiting to short there. $50.25 $0.25 $0.25. It's up here, the top up here, but I'm thinking in 0.20, you know, yeah, 0.24 25 something like that up here. If it does that, we might take short there. That's the only thing, because right now it doesn't have anything. Looking at charts, man, all day long, it's gonna get you tired. Polygon doesn't have the version 30-minute chart. gonna be interesting to see if this actually breaks towards upside. It's named Avalanche. Those don't go up. It's an inverse avalanche. Wow. It's moving above the resistance. Opium move incoming. Let's look at volume up here on AVX. No volume up here. It's been climbing nicely so far though. Strong coin though. Are getting back to, you know, channel up here. Right now it had, you know, 1, 2, 3 up here. It can definitely, if this is a bull flag up here, it can definitely, you know, break towards upside up here. So, you know. We bought here, we sold there. This also looked like it wants to go towards the upside. Bitcoin recovering nicely. 5 minutes is above the moving averages. I mean, it doesn't look weak though. It doesn't look weak. I gotta tell you that. Yes, we had this big fake out, but you know, it just faked out everybody and then, you know, closed it down, and right now it can go up again. I think this is harder to trade than a shorting. Best move coming tomorrow at New York Open. Get the charts better already. I think it's gonna come, you know, the big moves are gonna come after the daily close, so that's 1 hour and 30 seconds again. Right now we're hitting the resistance up here, already above the resistance, I think. Yeah, trying to break that. On 50-minute chart, we already got big divergence up here. Even a 30-minute chart. 1 hourly chart, not so much. Now, I'm missing something else on this over here. Oh, it can pull back. It should pull back down to the, you know, 5% up here to the 50 moving average. It's above. It's closing above up here. So this move. 1506. Where is the weekly? 20 moving average up here. 1512. Okay, let's go down to 5-minute chart up here. I don't know. Because this over here, it looks legit though. But right over here at 1510 or something like that, it already gets into resistance levels. It's 1.8 up. Out to 17. It's already at 17. Long time, Hasoon, long time no see. How you doing, man? It moves so slowly towards upside. Look at its moves. There is the resistance. 7. It can easily break it as well. V-channel is a nice channel. Up here at the top, yeah. This to me looks like a double top. But it's the middle of the target, you know, it's middle up here, so above the moving averages. I think these moves are actually gonna break towards upside eventually. Am I really crazy to short the most bullish coins right now? Nah. The volatility is picking up on AVAX. People are like, let's push it. Ape recovering. Bitcoin doing well. Now I get FOMO feeling again, and you know. Jorge is into Gala. It's just going so slow towards upside, so I'm a little bit scared because it's going so slow. There's a crazy move up here. And then another bigger move after that. Bitcoin is still below the resistance though, so you know, I think you know, it's building up for the daily close, so there's that. What's your balance? 2.9. This is gonna be a big, you know, 2%, you know, 5-minute candle. Bullish growth going up here towards these stops. No, just slowly coming to the top. It's not even, you know, pushing hard. No, thank you. I don't even know what it is. People have been shilling me stuff the entire bull market. You know, every time I look at stuff, it was going down after that. But now it's gonna go up, of course. Everything's gonna go up, hopefully. Sub told XRP Sleeping Beauty and logging in at 0.25. Always XRP is the less pump. Is XRP pumping? Yeah, 6%. Wow. While watching everything else, this thing pumped. Nah, it's 1%. This on the daily. Look at Bitcoin go. Doesn't care. AVAX. It's just going so slowly towards upside, man. So slowly. It's too bullish. Like, oftentimes you'll see these pumps like go touch, then, you know, pull back, but if you're gonna, you know, touch the top up here, it might do, you know, something like this up here again. What's the time right now? 11:40. How long did we be streaming? 1 hour 45 minutes. We had long streams. Okay, guys, I don't think I wanna do it right now. I kind of lost motivations even with this move up here. To the moon. Already going high for now. Yeah, I don't like these moves that go too fast. It was slowly coming down some kind of support up here, Nah, I'm gonna give up for tonight. I lost the mofo, I lost my not mofo, mojo. I lost my mojo, after the move. 1561 for MX. There we go. On the dollar, touched up there. Make the DXY got rejected from 200 move there. Yeah. I don't know. To me, this looks like a short, but it's a 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. Also hitting this resistance up here. Double tapped it as well. Maybe on the death of the dollar, check it out. The dollar is dying one way or the other, but there are other things that are gonna die first before the dollar dies. The guys with big money, and I'm talking about billions and billions of dollars, they're still holding the dollars. When they drop the dollar, that's when the dollar dies, right? But right now they need to hold the dollar until everything crashes towards the downside. They're then gonna use the dollar to buy everything because dollar is gonna be strong. And then when they buy everything, then they're gonna crash the dollar because they're no longer holding the dollar, right? On the dollar, very nice. But it's kind of moving slow. It's not dumping immediately. I mean, it's a big move towards downside, 1.26%, but there is that. And Bitcoin is coming again towards this resistance up here. This actually can be removed. Slowly coming up. The countries are moving out of the dollars, in my opinion. So there is that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Tomorrow maybe another 403 million challenge. Maybe do a trade that's not retarded. And next time I try to do a FOMO trade, stop me before I do it. Okay, guys? I feel so bad right now. I hate doing this. Take care of. Thanks, dear. Alright. Germs on dollar, germs on crypto. It's about to break. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow. Catch my Bitcoin daily tomorrow at around between 4 and 6 p.m. Depends when I figure out I want to make the video. But I'm okay. It's okay. I'm kind of bullish on Bitcoin, so I'm not overly bullish, but short term, a little bit pullback maybe. When I think it's gonna be pullback, it might pump. But, it's just crazy with these. It's just crazy with these. What am I gonna say? With these bull moves. Because they just kind of crack through everything. CPL live stream tomorrow. Yeah, maybe that Sola, maybe that. Okay, I said bye 50 times. I gotta go now. Bye bye. Sorry about the noise.